Hi guys, this is host and host Vignesh. Please subscribe to my channel so that you can get every time a new technical training related stuff in my channel, and moreover you can have click on this bell icon so that you can have much more updation of all my videos which would be coming into the week on weekdays. Hi guys, this is Vignesh, your host and host from Confidence Trading. As you know, every time in this channel I bring some or the other technical indicators trading, as I am every time updating myself and my viewers and my subscribers who are subscribed to my channel. As of now, I've completed my 3 videos, and in 3 videos it's very overwhelming subscribers, where I have got around 62 subscribed peoples. I want your thumbs up, guys. I want your thumbs up, that you would be coming up, you would be sharing my videos to another people who would get a benefit of it. So I want you all to subscribe my channel and share this as many as you can, so that we can become a very big family, where we can enjoy the tradings, we can enjoy the positional tradings and learnings of the indicators. So today, as you know, that I have brought another video which is a completely different type, wherein you would be getting a technical understanding how the candles, oh, I said candle, no, now we would be completely replacing the candle into a different kind of chart, that is a Renko chart. I think that might, that you have heard a lot of times a Renko. Why I'm using this Renko chart? Because we need a completely different, you would understand how a completely trend works. Every time when you see my video, you would see I every time teach how to see a trend, right? To see a trend. That's what my channel name is, Confidence Trading. Yes. So today we're gonna learn how the Renko chart works. Now you can see here that there are candles, right? It has the open, it has the close, it has the close, high, low, everything in that, right? But the Renko would only have the open and close. That's it. No high, no low, nothing. But it would show us the trend. Now, as of now, you can see this, that we are getting some of the candles up, down, and this is basically called as noise. Yes, Franco chart. First point you need to write down. You need to understand the first point, that is Franco eliminates the noise. Now, noise with what, the noise you're making right now? No, no, this is not the noise. The noise means the trend complexity, the trend, the people who don't understand how the trend is going. When we are confused about how the trend is going, this is called as noise, because we are not able to take the trade right now. Even if we would have took a trade here, it is going up, right? But sometimes it's come down, and which would make us much more complex to take the trade and to take the correct entry and correct exit, right? So let us start now with the Renko. First and foremost, I want you to take the Renko, right? You heard me right. You need to take the Renko first. First of all, you need to go to display, and then, do you see this Renko here? Yes. So what I'm doing is I would be adding a Renko here. Voila. This is something different, which I was looking at before. It seems to be completely different, right? Yes, it is completely different. Now see, you can see the complete trend which has been made here, and down you can see the dates, right? First and foremost, after choosing Renko, you need to take the time frame. Yes, I think that everybody would know what does time frame mean, right? So what I'm taking here, I am actually preferring 3-minute chart. Yes, why? Because the 3-minute chart would make a complete, right, like a completely a trend setter. That's why I'm using completely 3 minute chart. Let's take 3 minute chart right now. Now over that, with respect to SDFC, we need to do is we need to take the MAs. Now as I said and as I every time say that, as my videos would take you as a confidence, when you need to take the trade, you would be having 100% surety that now you need to take a trade. So that's why, what is confidence trading means, that's what I want you to understand, confidence trading. Okay, so this is how you would be making yourself confident while taking a trade. So that's why confirmation lines. Now confirmation lines are the MA lines. So what I'll do is I'm taking moving average. You have to look it out this, and you need to write it down, and then you need to put it in a paper trade, and then you need to do a trade, right? You need to do, then you need to do a live trade. Now what I'm doing is I'm taking a moving average. After taking moving average, what I'm doing here, I'm taking a period 4, field would be closed, and the type would be exponential, and then done. This is the first time I took, right? And then taking the second one, moving average. Next one, I'm taking it as 15. Yeah, you heard me right, 15. Let us take 30, and then the exponential. Why I didn't took 15? Because the reason behind that is it's just a smaller one. So the MA, which is it's 5 as compared to 15, would be very much near. So that what I wanted to do is I wanted to make it a different, or I wanted to make it far away. So that's why I used 30. Then what I do is I just change a color so that we won't be having a confusion around it. And then I'm using one more MA, which is a very far MA, which would make us confirmed exponential. Then a color, as you know, I'm making as black, and done. And the last MA which I am using right now is 200, which is very much far, right? And that will be this exponential one, the same. Then let us put it or whatever color you want, the preferable would be red, only because we didn't use it again. This is what we have made right now. This is how we make it. Okay, one thing you need to understand here in the Renko chart. Okay, we are talking about Renko charts right now. So in Renko charts, you can see this is something like trend setting, right? It is something like trend setting. So what I want you to understand here, I need you to write some points which I'm talking about right now. So these are the points which is actually working out with the Renko here. This would work in each and every script, each and every equity which you would input inside it, and then you can see the magic out of it. Okay, so you can see the magic out of it. Just check it out what I am talking about right now. This is rigorous research, guys. It is very much, I'm doing rigorous research out of these things. 15 hours I'm planning, I'm just sitting, and I'm just understanding how this works, and I found it today. In the complete day I was working out for this, and I got the complete entities which are making here, and then I am explaining you exact thing. You need to understand it clearly, guys. You need to understand it clearly. See what I'm doing here is, this is the 4 EMA, right? And then the next one is 30. I want you to see this 2 crossovers. This would be the crossovers where we would be buying or selling. You need to take this as a buying or selling options, right? So now what you need to see here is, when I'm talking about 686, so 8 June. Now 8 June, the crossovers would be this. You can see this crossovers. This 5 line is crossing 30. That is the first buy. But would you would say that why you are buying? You said it is, intraday, so, and you're buying it in the very previous day, but not like that. This is the confirmation of ours. Okay, it's a confirmation that buying from here, and then we would be buying the very next day in the morning itself, because it has given a crossover in the yesterday's state, and then we are buying it and then keeping the SL down here. So the SL would be 1603. The SL would be the crossover. It's 1598. So this would be the SL. So it's hardly 5 rupees SL, but the reward is very much big, guys. The reward is very much big. So that's what you want to see here. Now what I'm doing is the crossover happened of between the 5 and 30, and I'm buying it. Let's see where it goes. It is going up. It's 91618, guys. 1618, and then see it's 1629. Then it is having some consolidation. Now you would say the next day, when I'm talking about, you would say, why this is crossing and again coming up? Why? I would tell you the reason why, guys. I will tell you the reason, because the reason behind this, that my 100 EMA and 200 EMA, both are these supports, both are as well as the resistance. This what are the confirmation lines, sir? I'm talking about the confidence trading, right? So confidence trading, this is my confidence trading. This is the confident lines. See, this is the confident lines. Now what I want you to understand is, crossover is a one part, supports, resistance are different part. So crossovers would be an initiation of from where you need to take the trade, but the confidence line, or the support and resistance line, is the MAs, which would give you the trend when you need to take the trade or when you need to sell the trade. Okay, so it would be many times you would be seeing that the crossovers is happening, and again in the next candle it is going up. That's why I wanted you to understand here. If the point you need to write, if the candles, the Renko chart, the candles are up from the 100 EMA and the 200 EMA, then it is in the buying position. It is in the buying position. Point is to be noted, guys. Point to be noted that it is in the buying position because it is up the line. Whereas if it is down the 100 and 200 EMAs, then you need to understand that it is in the selling pressure. So you need to take the selling positions. Note this down, that until and unless the prices of the stock, of any stock, are not beneath these two lines, this won't be called as bearish. Note this line. If any of the prices are not below the 100 and 200 EMA line, the stock won't be bearish, right? So we won't be accepting this crossover, but I want the crossover which is up, which is, as I said, that is called as a bullish power. So that is the bullish power. Now this, see the crossover, now you need to buy it out. Now buy this. This is the stop loss, or you can skip the stop loss here. Buy this 29, voila, 42, approximately 15 points from here, right? You can see what the time is. It's 11, and what price you have got, you've seen that. This is the power of the confidence. Okay, this is the power of the confidence, guys. So let us back test it. Very quick back test it. As I said, we need to take the down level now, right? So let us take we had took the bullish, we would take the bearish as well. Let us take go bullish, bullish. Now as what we have said, that whenever the line crosses down, it's beneath our line, right, as beneath our 100 and 200 line, so that would be called as a bearish mode, bearish power. So now what we need to do is, you need to see this is crossover, but as I said, this crossover won't work here because this is beneath the lines, right? After crossing this 200 line, you can see this cutover, and cutover is the perfection that you need to short. You need to short there. Shorted 1575, then it is 1568, again going down 1567. So it is around 10 points from there. Have you seen the power of, have you seen the power of the confidence lines, right? This is how the combinations I have made for Renko and Amaze. This is how we make it. This is how we research it. Okay. Now next, you can see the next day what we have. I can see is beneath the line. Now see this crossover cut. Once 1571 done 1562. This is what we get. This is what we get. 10 points. Simple SL. No, it's 7-4. 2 points SL. And see, 10 points reward. Guys, this is what the power of confidence is. Okay, you can backtest it, voila, backtest. Okay, let us take this day. Now beneath this, right? Now this is up the lines, right? Is up the lines, but the first rule, crossover, the first rule. Second rule, it is above this line, cross 1551. Buy it. 1581. 30 points, guys. 30 points. See, 30 points from here. Leave the trade. Done for the day. It's just for an hour. You got so much, guys. Okay, this is how we backtest it. You just understand how the topic, how this works, how the 2 points I have told you. You need to backtest it, do a paper trading for 1 week. Any questions, any comments, guys, please don't feel free to comment down below, and please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And for more updates, you need to be updated, right? For my technical indicators training, you just need to press that bell icon there. Bell icon is very much important, so that you would be getting intimation each time I make a video, right? So this is how it works. If you have any questions, guys, please free to ask. Thank you. Good night. Bye bye.